Hey, this is Nick Aldis, and I'm giving you a little update video on my progress. It's October, so that would put me at about the 4-month mark after the procedure, and I feel really good about it. As you can see here, the line is starting to come in, and it's starting to fill out here. You can kind of see where it's starting to thicken up, and then on this side. But so far I've been really pleased with the outcome. The thing that's most noticeable for me now is that when I see footage of myself in the ring wrestling, I don't have those sort of crazy embarrassing moments where my hair gets messed up and I'm suddenly very exposed. So that's a really cool feeling, and it's really improved my confidence. And now I can, almost daily I can see the progress. So I'd say the last 2 or 3 weeks is really when I've really started to notice how it's starting to become real hair. It's not sort of baby hair. It's not sort of thin. It's starting to sort of come into its own, and that's a really cool feeling because I'm able to style it now, and now as I sort of see it starting to sort of take shape, I can start kind of visualizing what the finished hairline is going to be like, and I can start thinking about, hey, well, do I want to do something different with my hair? Do I want a different hairstyle? I want to play around with it a bit more. I'm not as limited with my options, and overall just the confidence, just the fact that now I don't have to think anymore about, I better turn my head this way, I better turn my head that way, and make sure they get my good side, because one side was more receding than the other, and everyone seems to like it. Even you, right, Pixie? Every time I do a video, she has to come and jump in and make a lot of noise. What do you think? You like it too? Rough.